Windstorms. Oh bueno. Oh geez. And it just had to follow my neighbor's fence too. So, plan of attack. Choppeth down these brancheth, and then hope that this big thing doesn't fall, crush and kill me. It's a pretty good plan. My weapon. I have these 3 posts here and I want to use them, like put under there and support the weight for when I cut the branches off, but I just don't. So here's my conundrum. The weight of this big ass thing is all right there. A little bit there, but mostly that branch there. So when I cut it, this whole effort is gonna come down really hard. So I need to find something to brace under there to hold that weight for when I cut it. And I just don't know what to do, but I have kind of a light bulb. We'll see. Pray for me. Okay, so I think this is doing what it's supposed to be doing. And this is janky as hell, but it's working. It's supporting the weight. What do I call it? Branch, trunk, whatever, thing. So hopefully when I take out that bad boy, that is what holds that up. Ow, I'm tripping over. God, okay. Okay. Let's keep going. So next step, fucking right there. Oofed. Shit. So I gotta get this branch off this fucking fence. All right, let's keep going. The chain's off. All right. Just gotta go old school with this. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Cristo. Oh, okay. Okay. Whew, that's warm. Whew. Well, if my drill's not gonna do it, what the fuck is? Suppose I could put some PB blaster on it. But this is too new for this shit to be happening. That's what pisses me off. Well, for the moment, I've been defeated. I've been defeated before. Mainly by women, not by chainsaws. So, let's just call it. I'll fix the fence. I'm gonna fix the fence. Yeah, it's gonna happen. All right. Be good people.